Welcome to the Indian Girl Stateside. I have 2 master's degrees in economics. I've traveled across multiple continents, and I'm here to talk to you today about an analysis of Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus Litecoin and their performance in 2017. So what I have in front of me is an Excel spreadsheet that I quickly put together to talk through the couple of variables that you may want to look at. In that I've taken into account market cap for Bitcoin from as of today versus actually as of yesterday versus January 1st, 2017. The percentage changes, the volume from year to date, and then also supply year to date. So if you look at overall the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, taking it one cryptocurrency at a time, if you look at the price, which is currently at around, hovering at around 11,900, somewhere there, the price at the beginning of the year was at $963 approximately. It's a huge jump this year. Part of it is because the hype behind Bitcoin has been building up, in addition to other factors such as Bitcoin being traded on the futures market. So basically that gives it some sort of legitimacy in terms of, using that in the market. The volume itself, if you do a comparative, the volume of trading or transactions has increased quite a bit over the year to date, and also supply. If you compare what supply Bitcoin's circulating currently versus what was circulating at the beginning of the year, it has definitely gone down. So what that means is that Bitcoin has a fixed supply, and there's a lot less Bitcoin out in the market. And part of the price increase over here, if you notice, is as a result of supply dwindling as well. So people want more and more of these Bitcoins. Ethereum, on the other hand, this is the market cap over here. If you look at the price, it has been pretty significant. I mean, from around $7 beginning of the year to around over $400, I think is a pretty good jump. Percentage change has been displayed here. Volume of transactions is actually higher than that of Bitcoin, surprisingly, and then supply, in terms of supply has dwindled. So all in all, Bitcoin, Ethereum, even if you look at Litecoin, the supply has dwindled as more and more people get into the cryptocurrency buying and selling. The Litecoin, if you notice over here, it went from $4 to $103. Not a significant jump. However, I would keep an eye on Litecoin, as I keep talking about keeping these three currencies in your basket. And people have spoken about a 70-30 split, where you have 70% of Bitcoin and 30% of the rest of the cryptocurrency. And there's recommendations out there around holding things that are such as Ethereum and Litecoin, more traditional items. Volume-wise, if you look at Litecoin, the volume of transactions is not as much, and this ties into the fact that a lot of people are purchasing Bitcoin, Ethereum. Litecoin is kind of trailing behind. And then if you look at supply, obviously supply, as I mentioned earlier, is dwindling. So all in all, if you compare the three coins, Bitcoin seems to be significant in terms of price change, depletion of supply, and the volume of transactions. But surprisingly, Ethereum, if you compare the percentage change in terms of the transactions that are occurring, the volume of transactions, that is pretty surprising in terms of what's out there. And then Litecoin in general, it's trailing behind, but I would keep an eye on Litecoin as well. So I would appreciate it if you would click on the link below, or click on the likes below if you do like this video. And as well as, if you do like this video, I'd really appreciate your contributions in terms of Bitcoins. I have provided the link below. Also, please do provide your comments, or if you would like to view any additional videos, or if you have suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you around the data that I'm presenting today. So all in all, thank you so much for listening to me, and have a great day, and look forward to talking to you next time. Thanks.